Okay, if you press that button, 1 year will be taken off your life. But you'll get $100. No, I mean $1,000. Sorry. You better not press it. I swear. The body pressed the button that time. I only pressed the button the first time. The body did it the second time, so it's not my fault. Just don't press the button. Get this body out of here. Yeah, I'll just pick this thing out here. I suck at throwing. No, get it out of here. Get it out of here. God. Okay, don't press the button again. Because you're my best friend. And I don't want you to die just because of some dumb money. Why would you do that? For the money? Okay, if you press that button 1 more time, you're gonna die, and you'll never exist. So you better not press it, because you're my friend. I don't want you to die. Like all my others. So don't press it. I'm gonna press it. No, you aren't. Yes, I am. Don't press the button. Don't do it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare press the button. You're gonna die. Don't press it. Boop. Oh my God. How dare you? Might as well.